Hello, everyone! Now let's crochet the legs of the strawberry cow. Start by wrapping the yarn around. Wrap it clockwise around the pinky finger, then counterclockwise around the index finger, and counterclockwise again around the middle finger. Hold the junction with your thumb. Next, we're going to create a magic loop inside this loop. Crocheting a magic ring can be challenging. Beginners can refer to our detailed tutorial video for basic instructions. First, start crocheting the first round by making a slip knot. Insert the crochet hook into the loop. Grab the yarn and pull it through. Flip the crochet hook with the tip facing towards you. Then yarn over below and behind and pull through. We have completed a slip knot. Now, in this magic loop, we need to crochet 8 single crochets. To learn how to crochet a single crochet, beginners can refer to our basic tutorial for detailed instructions. Let me explain it in detail here. Insert the crochet hook into the magic loop. Yarn over from the top and behind the yarn and wrap the yarn and pull through the loop. Now we have 2 loops on hook. Then yarn over from below behind and pull through both loops at once. Great! We have completed the first single crochet. Mark it with a stitch marker. Let me demonstrate it again. Insert the crochet hook into the magic loop. Yarn over from the top and behind the yarn and pull through the loop. Now we have 2 loops on hook. Then yarn over from below behind and pull through both loops at once. Note that when pulling through the loops, the crochet hook should be pointing down, making it easier to pull through the loops. Fantastic! The second single crochet is done. This is the third single crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Okay, we have completed round 1. Remove the piece from middle finger. Pull this yarn tail tight and form a circle. This is our magic ring. Finally, remove the stitch marker. Insert the crochet hook at the spot where the stitch marker was. Wrap the yarn from top to back and pull through this loop. Please note that this part might be a bit tight and challenging to pull through, so you may need to use some force and then pull through this loop on hook. Pull the loop tightly to conceal the last stitch formed when making a slip stitch, as this stitch is not included in the crochet round. Great! Our magic loop is complete. Now let's move on to the second round. Start with a chain stitch. Now, we need to crochet a single crochet increase in each stitch, 8 increases in total. This is the first stitch hole. The second one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the first stitch, let's crochet the first single crochet increase, making the first single crochet and mark it with stitch marker. Then make another single crochet in the same stitch hole. Just right here, make a single crochet. Now, we have finished the single crochet increase in the first stitch. Let's continue with the second increase. Insert hook into next stitch and make a single crochet. In the same stitch, make another single crochet. The second increase completed. Continue to the next stitch, which is the third stitch. Crochet another increase in this stitch. Then, complete the remaining 5 single crochet increases. Please complete the rest on your own. See you in a moment. Great! Now we have completed 8 increases, forming a total of 8 multiplied by 2, which is 16 stitches. I recommend counting the number of stitches after each round to ensure that we have the correct number. Let's count together. Starting from the crochet hook and counting backward, this is the first one. The second one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, the number of stitches is correct. Finally, remove the stitch marker. Make a slip stitch to finish this round. Alright, the second round is completed. Next, let's move on to the third round. Start by making a chain stitch as the starting stitch. In the third round, crochet 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch, crocheting the first single crochet in the first stitch. Use a stitch marker to mark it. For each round, mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Continue crocheting 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Again, we need to crochet 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch of this round. Now, please continue crocheting this round on your own. We'll meet again later. 15, 16, 'Remove the stitch marker and make slip stitch to finish this round. Now, let's start crocheting the fourth round. When crocheting the fourth round, we will switch from the red yarn to the white yarn. Take off the red yarn from your hand. Replace it with the white yarn. Secure the end of the white yarn between your middle finger and ring finger, and hold it tightly with your index finger to maintain tension. Place the crochet hook above the white yarn, yarn over and pull the red yarn on hook. Pull the tail of the red yarn and the white yarn tight. Next, let's begin crocheting the fourth round. In the fourth round, crochet 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch. We find the first stitch here. Insert the crochet hook into it. Note that the white and red yarn tails should be placed above the crochet hook. Make a yarn over and pull the yarn through the stitch hole. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops at once. The first single crochet stitch is completed. Then crochet the second single crochet. The third one. Now we can cut off the red yarn and hide both yarn tails inside the piece. Continue crocheting the fourth single crochet stitch. Crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch for the rest of this round. 16 single crochets in total. Please continue crocheting on your own. Alright, after completing the single crochet stitches for the fourth round, remove the stitch marker and make slip stitch to finish this round. Now chain 1 as the starting stitch for round 5. The crochet method for the 5th to 7th rounds is the same. You will crochet 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch, totaling 16 single crochets for each round. Please crochet the 5th to 7th rounds on your own. Okay, this is the last stitch of the 7th round. Remove the stitch marker. Make a slip stitch and fasten off. Alright, now our first leg of the strawberry cow is completed. We will use the same method to crochet the other leg. When crocheting the other leg, please don't cut the white yarn at the end. For crochet beginners, after completing the first leg, you can use stitch markers to mark the first and last stitches of the last round. This is the first stitch. This is the last stitch. When we join 2 legs later, it will be easier to identify where to start and end this round. Alright, now I have finished crocheting the 2 legs of the strawberry cow. In the next chapter, we will continue learning to crochet the body of the cow upwards. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.